Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to turn iPhone into dumbphone. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to go to Settings. Let's go to Accessibility. Assistive Access. Here we go down a little bit, and in Options we can choose the mode. Here, we can customize what we want and what we don't want. Now we will go up and press Manage Apps. And here we can choose what kind of apps we want it to have and what other apps we don't want our dumbphone to have. Once chosen, we go backwards and click on Start Assistive Access. And that's it. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.